Brian, do me a favor and check on Stewie, would you?
He's fine.
Hey, what do you say we sing a driving song?
Some say love, it is a river that drowns the tender reed. Some say love, it is a razor that leaves your soul to bleed. When the night has been too lonely and the road has been too long, and you think that love is only for the lucky and the strong, just remember in the winter, far beneath the bitter snows, lies the seed that with the sun's love in the spring becomes the rose.
Okay, that was good. That was good. Chris, I think you were a little early at the start of bar 4. I don't know. How'd that sound from your end?
Sounded great out here. You want another?
No, if that works for you, we're fine.
All good on my end.
All right, that's a take.